So write this one and then we'll do a few questions. And also trigonometric identities you need to remember because those are very important. So I'm giving you a few questions on substitution method. So this is a question. Just try to evaluate its integral.
Sir,
Yes.
we have to solve this.
Yeah, you have to solve this by using substitution method. As I gave an example of substitution method, you have to solve this by the help of substitution method. So you have to do a proper substitution here. Like we all know that derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. And we also know x to the power n when differentiated gives nx to the power n minus 1. So from here you can observe that how can we use substitution and these derivatives to solve the problem. So the denominator here, which is e to the power x plus x to the power e, I'm giving you a hint. Let it to be t. Okay, suppose that this denominator e to the power x plus x to the power e is t, and then you have to proceed.
Surrounding.
Done?
No surrounding.
So can you tell me how you are approaching it, or should I tell? When you differentiate t, what is the derivative of e to the power x? And what is the
E
derivative
to
of
the power
x to and x to the power e?
it's e into x raised to e minus 1.
Correct. So now if you see the numerator, you can get the numerator if you take e common. This first one will become e to the power x minus 1, and second will be x to the power e minus 1 remaining, and dx. Now, from here you can say that e to the power x minus 1 plus x to the power e minus 1 is equal to dx is equal to dt upon e. So the integration changes into integral of e to the power x minus 1 plus x to the power e minus 1 dx is dt by e, and e to the power x plus x to the power is t. And e is a common, it will come outside. So 1 by t dt. Now what is the integral of 1 by t?
Log t.
Log t, log of mod t plus c. So it will become 1 by e log of mod t, which is e to the power x plus x to the power e plus c. So this will be your answer. Have you written it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us come to the next question. So here what you will do, can you tell how will you approach it? Let 3 plus 4 cos x is equal to t. And then from here, one thing is that you will get cos x as t minus 3 upon 4. And also the derivative will be minus 4 sin x dx, which will be equal to dt, the derivative of this. So one fact, there are three things. If you get 3 plus 4 cos x as t, you put it as t. And if you get cos x somewhere, you can put it as 3t minus 3 by 4. And you can put minus 4 sin x dx as dt. Now, one step which you will do here is, you will change sin 2x as 2 sin x cos x by 3 plus 4 cos x ka cube. So this is the trigonometric identity which we are using, because we know that sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Now here we will substitute properly. So you can use this and do the further calculation. Sarif, is there any internet issue on your side? Hello, Sharif, you are getting disconnected frequently? Okay, so just try this further. Yes, हो गया, done.
Sir, I'm about to finish.
Sharif, I think there is some internet issue on your side, right? You are getting disconnected frequently. Fazil, are you doing this?
Yes, sir.
I think we can discuss now. You can check your step, Shabazz. So here, first of all, cos x is in the numerator. That will be t minus 3 by 4. And sin x dx will become minus 1 by 4 dt. And then in the denominator, 3 plus 4 cos x will be simply t cube. So this will become minus 1 by 8 integral t minus 3 by t cube dt. So it would be 1 by 8, 3 minus t by t cube dt. So we can write it like this after putting the proper substitutions. And then we can simply write it as 3 integral of, yeah, this is 3 by 8, 1 by t cube dt minus 1 by 8, right? So this will become t to the power minus 3 will be t to the power minus 2 by minus 2 on integration. So it will be minus 3 by 16 t square it will become. And t to the power minus 2 will become t to the power minus 1 by minus 1. So plus 1 by 8t plus c. And we have t as 3 plus 4 cos x. So this will be minus 3 by 16, 3 plus 4 cos x whole square plus 1 by 8, 3 plus 4 cos x plus c. So this is what you will get here. So your answer will become, now we can take LCM also to match the final answer. So I will give you the time to write above steps. It will be 16, 3 plus 4 cos x whole square minus 3 plus 2, 3 plus 4 cos x plus c. So it would become minus 3 plus 6 is 3 plus 8 cos x by 16, 3 plus 4 cos x whole square plus c. So answer would be this. Now you can write it from here. Sarif, are you following? You are again disconnected. I don't know what's happening on your side. So I'm scrolling it down. So let us come to the next question. Here you have to be quite reasonable while deciding what to substitute. Yes, how are you thinking of approaching this question? So there is a power 6 in the denominator. Let me give you the options also so that it will be quite helpful to think in the direction, proper direction. So these 4 options are there. Let me give you a hint. What you need to do here is divide numerator and denominator by x to the power 12. So when you will do this, the question will become like this. X to the power minus 3, because you are dividing by x to the power 12. So 9 minus 12 is minus 3. And here power is 6. So if it will go inside, it will go as x square. So it will become 4 plus 1 by x square. So question will become this. When you will divide by x to the power 12. Numerator as well as denominator. And in fact, x to the power 2, 1 by x to the power 2 can be written as x to the power minus 2. What we have done is x to the power 9 by x to the power 12 divided by 4x square plus 1 to the power 6 by x to the power 12 dx. Now what you will do next from here, let 4 plus x to the power minus 2 is equal to t. So if you will do this, what will be the derivative? Okay, some answer has come, I think. Substitution, Shabazz is saying. Yes, sir, Shabazz, correct. Substitution will do 4 plus x to the power minus 2 is t. So minus 2 x to the power minus 3 dx will be equal to dt. So this will become x to the power minus 3 dx will become minus 1 by 2 dt. And 4 plus x to the power minus 2 is t. So t to the power 6. So it will become minus 1 by 2. T to the power minus 6 when integrated will become x to the power. So it is t actually, not x. So t to the power minus 5 by minus 5. So this will be 1 by 10 into 1 by t to the power 5 plus c. And t is 4 plus x to the power minus 2. So 1 by 10, 4 plus x to the power minus 2 to the power 5 plus c. So which option is this? 1 by 10, 4 plus x to the power minus 2 to the power 5. So it will go in the numerator and it will become minus 5. So 4 plus 1 by x square minus 5. This is option B, right? This option is the correct option. This is the correct option. One by 10 actually, it is not 1 by 5. So in that case, it will be option 4, not option 2. It is option 4. Option 2 is same, except that it is 1 by 5, but we need 1 by 10. So after you are done with this is the next question. Devats, how can you do this? Yes, I think they have disjoined. Fazil, you got disconnected. This is the next question. Have you written the previous one?
Yes, yes, I wrote it.
Shabazz, we don't need to multiply and divide by x cube. Instead of that, we can directly substitute here as first substitution would be let x square is equal to t. So when you will do this, you will get 2x dx is equal to dt. And the question changes to x dx is dt by 2, 1 plus x to the power 4 is t square. Now you can tell what is the integration of dt by 1 plus t square. Do you remember? This is a formula for tan inverse t. When you differentiate tan inverse t, you get 1 by 1 plus t square. So plus c. Now you can put tan inverse x square plus c. So half of tan inverse x square plus c you will get. So after you have written this solution, you can come to another question. This one. So here first step you will do, you will take e to the power 9x common, and when it will come out of the cube root, it will become e to the power 3x. So 27 plus e to the power 3x will remain cube root dx. And next you can use substitution. Can you tell what substitution you will do?
27 plus e raised to 3.
Yeah, let that be t. So just proceed after that. So when you will differentiate it, derivative of 27 is 0, and e to the power 3x is e to the power 3x by 3 dx into 3, not divided by 3, into 3. The derivative coefficient of x will multiply is equal to dt. So e to the power 3x dx is 1 by 3 dt it will become. And 27 plus e to the power 3x is t, so t to the power 1 by 3. Okay, Shavaz is getting the answer 3 by 4. Okay. So when you will integrate, it will become 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. So 4 will come here and t will be 23. But 3 will not be there. No? 3 will get cancelled. Rest of your answer is correct. But your 3 is coming extra because that 3 will get cancelled now. If you will integrate it, so it will be t to the power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. So this 3 will cancel. And this is 4. And t is 27 plus e to the power 3x to the power 4 by 3 plus c. This is what we will get. Is it okay, Shavaz? So you are just getting 1 3 extra. Rest is all okay.